Low-carb orange chicken recipe, Keto Bliss in 20 minutes. Gluten-free. Craving that tangy, crispy orange chicken fix, but worried about carbs? Worry no more. This keto-friendly version skips the sugar-laden sauce and packs in the citrusy punch without compromising your low-carb lifestyle. Plus, it's ready in just 20 minutes, making it perfect for a quick weeknight meal. Serves 2 to 3 generous portions. Ingredients. Asterisk for the chicken. Asterisk 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, sliced into bite-sized pieces. Asterisk 1 large egg, beaten. Asterisk half a cup almond flour. Asterisk a quarter cup grated Parmesan cheese. Asterisk half a teaspoon paprika. Asterisk a quarter teaspoon garlic powder. Asterisk a quarter teaspoon onion powder. Asterisk salt and pepper to taste. Asterisk for the orange sauce. Asterisk 1 tablespoon avocado oil. Asterisk 2 cloves garlic, minced. Asterisk a quarter cup water. Asterisk a quarter cup chicken broth. Asterisk a quarter cup white vinegar. Asterisk a quarter cup soy sauce, or coconut aminos for gluten-free. Asterisk 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Asterisk 1 tablespoon orange zest. Asterisk 1 teaspoon minced fresh ginger. Asterisk half a teaspoon granulated swerve, or your favorite monk fruit sweetener. Asterisk a quarter teaspoon xanthan gum. Instructions. 1. Prep the chicken, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, whisk together the beaten egg, almond flour, Parmesan cheese, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Toss the chicken pieces in the dry mixture until evenly coated. 2. Bake the chicken, spread the coated chicken pieces on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown and cooked through. 3. Whip up the sauce. While the chicken bakes, heat the avocado oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the garlic and cook for 30 seconds, until fragrant. 4. Simmer and thicken, stir in the water, chicken broth, vinegar, soy sauce, Dijon mustard, orange zest, ginger, and sweetener. Bring to a simmer and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Whisk in the xanthan gum until the sauce thickens slightly. 5. Coat and serve, pour the orange sauce over the cooked chicken and toss to coat. Garnish with fresh orange slices, optional, and serve immediately with a side of steamed broccoli or cauliflower rice. Tips. Asterisk for extra flavor, marinate the chicken in the dry mixture for 30 minutes before baking. Asterisk make it spicy, add a pinch of red pepper flakes to the sauce for a kick. Asterisk doubling the recipe is easy for meal prep or feeding a crowd. Asterisk leftovers store well in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.